Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply see all apps you have on your Android phone, such as the app you install and the system apps and games, and how you can manage those apps on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your search on your phone right here. What you need to do is to simply type in file. Just type in file, then you have file manager and files right here. What you need right here is to simply click on files, and you will be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on apps. So here we go. From the top right here, you have apps install. Next to it here is system apps. So if I click on system apps, you'll be able to understand how system apps works. Most of the system apps right here are the apps that come with your Android phone, and some of them cannot be uninstalled on your Android phone, no matter how hard you try. Like for instance, this file manager by Google, if you click on these three dots right here, you can see the uninstall here is disabled. You cannot uninstall some of the system apps right here. If you click on the settings right here, you see you cannot uninstall it. It has been disabled. So you can scroll down, and then the more you scroll down, the more you see all system apps that come with your Android phone that you cannot simply uninstall. However, there are some of them you can uninstall. Like for instance, if I click on this one right here, however, there are some of them you can uninstall from your Android phone in order to free up space on your Android phone. Let's say for instance, you want to check on some of the one that you can uninstall on your Android phone. Like this drive right here, if you click on these three dots, you can see you can simply uninstall drive, so in order to free up space on your phone. So you can scroll up and check some of them, some of the one that you can uninstall. Like this Facebook here, it comes with your Android phone. Click on here, you can simply uninstall it to save a lot of storage space on your Android phone, because you can simply access Facebook on web instead of using app that consume a lot of space on your Android phone. The next one right here is app install files, APK. So click on that. If you have any APK file that you have installed so far on your Android phone, you see all the list right here. It's as simple as that. Let's simply go back to install apps. So under the install apps right here, you can filter your apps by file size. So for you to filter your app by file size, simply click on large apps right here. Then you see all large files apps. So from here, you can simply uninstall any of the apps that consumes so much file on your Android phone without using them. It's as simple as that. Like for instance, this particular video lip right here, I do not use it most time. So for me to uninstall it, I'm going to simply click on these three dots right here, and this is going to pump up. Then I will go to app info. Then it takes me right here. I need to go to storage and cache. Then I make sure I clear storage, delete app data. This app data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Click on delete, and then I can simply go back again. Then this time around, I will click on uninstall and hit on OK. Boom. It's as simple as that. I was able to save a lot of file right here. Then the next one here is unused app. So click on unused app. This will give you a sense of some of the apps that you have on your phone, but you don't use them. These are all the apps. So this is depends on the types of the number of apps you have on your phone. So at the time of making this video on my phone right here, I have just 4 apps that are not being used on my phone in the past. Then you can go to games right here and see if there is any apps on your game section. If you are a gaming type, of course, you will see all apps you have on your gaming section right here. I'm going to uncheck everything, and it will take me back into my app sections right here. It's as simple as that. So just like so. So basically, this is how to see all apps on your Android phone and how you can manage apps on your Android phone in order to free up space on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.